Good afternoon everyone. So ito ang aking mga gilabang damit para masyadong marami-dami, iba't ibang ito yung damit. Ayan, may mga pantalon at ano ba ba? At mga iba't ibang mga damit. So ayun siya guys. So ito ang inuunang tinupi. Hindi ko siya tinapos guys kasi sobrang madami-dami siya. Madami talaga siya. Super. Nakat ko rin siya. Sobrang haba na. So please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and please click the notification bell para always kayong updated sa mga bagong upload.
She genuinely loves both men, but never expects things to end this way. To ease her guilt, she gives up her inheritance. This allows the victim's son to fund a school transfer for his autistic adopted sister. At the press conference after the case, Morgan, as a police consultant, earns public recognition for the first time. But what thrills her more is
thank you
news
for watching. Bye bye.